Do you want to build an AI-powered image pipeline on AWS? In this project, we build a fully serverless pipeline that turns photos into cartoons using AWS and Bedrock. Follow along, and in minutes, you'll have a fully working AI pipeline running on AWS. Let's walk through the architecture before we build. First, the user signs into the web application using Cognito. When the user selects Choose File, the image is uploaded to an S3 bucket. When the user selects Cartoonify, the API does two things. It creates a job record in DynamoDB. Then it sends a message to the image processing SQS queue. SQS triggers the worker Lambda. The worker Lambda calls Bedrock to generate the cartoon. The generated image is written back to S3. When processing completes, the job status is updated in DynamoDB. The web application refreshes and displays the generated image. Go to the GitHub link in the video description, clone the repository, and run the check env script to verify all prerequisites. If you need help setting up AWS and Terraform, check out our AWS setup video. Once that's done, run the apply script to start the build. The build has completed, so let's head into the console and see what was deployed. Two S3 buckets are created for this project. The first S3 bucket hosts the web application and is publicly accessible. The second S3 bucket stores both the source images and the generated cartoons. Identity and access are handled by Cognito and enforced by API Gateway. The serverless API is implemented using Python Lambda functions. The image processing pipeline is driven by an SQS queue. DynamoDB stores the state for each image generation job. When a message is processed, the worker calls Bedrock to generate the image. The generated image is written back to the S3 media bucket. The job record in DynamoDB is updated to complete. When the web application refreshes, the results are displayed. Navigate to the web application URL. Sign in using Cognito. Select Choose File and upload a test image. Select the pencil sketch style, then click Cartoonify to start the image generation pipeline. The application displays the image generation lifecycle in the left-hand panel. When processing completes, the application refreshes and shows the result. Now try some different styles. The application displays a gallery of your previous results. Once you've finished evaluating this project, run the destroy script to clean up all resources.